Welcome back, Empath. This Soundbath was recorded during a first rain thunderstorm, which allows us to access the most powerful clearing energy right now. A rainstorm clears the air and nurtures the earth. So this is also perfect for starting a new manifestation cycle. Get comfortable in a safe place to close your eyes. It's good that you're here today, that you recognize the importance of taking this moment for clearing. Take a deep breath. Visualize your thoughts written on a big whiteboard. With the next exhalation, I want you to begin erasing all of those thoughts, clearing the whiteboard, wiping out everything that you don't need to focus on right now. Thoroughly cleaning the whiteboard. So that all that's left is a clear, open space, ready to be filled with something brand new. If I was your friend from the future and I told you that the story they will write about your life begins today, considering everything that you've learned in your life, everything that you've experienced, considering it all, what would you want the story that's written about your life beginning today to be like? What would you want that story to be about?